To refill the trimmer line on a Bosch String Trimmer model GRT18V40, cut up to 10 feet of trimmer line. Use only .080 or .095 inch line. Line up the arrow on the bump knob to the arrow on the spool housing by turning the bump knob clockwise. Feed the trimmer line into the hole on the side that says line in. Push it in at the angle of the arrow. Keep feeding the line until it comes out the other side and there's an equal amount of line on both sides. Hold the spool housing and turn the bump knob clockwise to wind the line inside the housing. Stop when there's 6 inches of line on each side.